Hello everyone, my name is Isaac, and I'm going to give you a bit of information about expert advisors. For those of you who have never heard about expert advisors, we hope that you will find this video interesting and helpful. There are many topics related to the use of expert advisors, but in this particular video, we will just give a brief overview. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications on upcoming educational videos and much more. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So what actually is an expert advisor? An expert advisor is a piece of software that takes care of the analysis and uses internal algorithms and internal indicators to notify you when a trade should be taking place. So how does it work? An EA utilizes its predefined logic to notify a trader of a trading opportunity, or it executes a trade on a trader's behalf, if it was designed that way. What's great about Expert Advisor is that even if you are sleeping or at work, the Expert Advisor is looking for a trading opportunity. By using a VPS service, you can also ensure its continuous operation without any unexpected interruptions, which means the EA works 24 hours a day. Traders also like that the EA never decides to open trades that don't meet your predetermined parameters. There is no need to be an expert trader or programmer to be able to trade. Expert advisors are here to take away all of that hard work and perform the trades for you. However, we do advise that all traders should do a thorough research on their developers before choosing or purchasing one. One of the issues you will face with expert advisors is that it cannot respond to the real-time news. It ignores factors that cannot be programmed into it. If you're at your desk monitoring the news, you will avoid making a trading mistake after the news release. The EA, however, will not care about the interest rate decision being published in an hour. It will keep on trading or not if it is set to do so. Even though an EA can deal with more variables than you can, it can only act in the manner that you have set it to. There may be also times when you have to jump to avoid a big trading error or take an opportunity. There are many sources you can find, purchase, or download the EA from. To make this video, we have chosen a free of charge EA from the website MQL5. We remind you that the purpose of this video is to help you understand about expert advisors and help you with your trading if you wish to use one. Therefore, we are not recommending this particular EA.
First, open the MetaTrader platform. Select File from the main menu. Click Open Data Folder to open up the folder window. Select the MQL4 or MQL5 folder followed by the Experts folder. Drag and drop your EA EX4 file into this folder. Restart the MetaTrader platform for your changes to take effect. Another option is by going to the Market tab of your terminal window. Click Experts. Select the EA of your choice. Then click on the Download button. Once the installation is complete, restart your MetaTrader platform for the changes to take effect. Once your MetaTrader platform has restarted, go to the Navigator window of your MT4 platform. Click on Expert Advisors. Right-click on the EA that you have installed and select Attach to a chart. Then click OK. For the rules and parameters of your EA for trading, we will cover this subject in one of our upcoming videos about expert advisors in the near future.
Before you start using an EA, ask yourself, can you trust a pure black box with thousands of capital in it? Does this idea sit well with you? If the answer is yes, then learn as much as you can about your EA. Don't rush into things. Knowledge is power. Knowing why an EA trades and how it works is the critical factor that convinces you to stick with the winning strategy during a drawdown. You will always have the ability to turn the EA off. You will do just like that when you don't know why you are losing money. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that it will help you with your trading. We remind you again to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications on videos upcoming from FXChoice. In the description below, you will find a link to our website and a link to a free demo account that you can use to simulate your trades with an EA before trading with a live account. Should you have any questions regarding our services, please feel free to contact our experienced and friendly customer service support via live chat from our homepage. Thank you again and see you soon.